Hey guys, I'm waiting for Jwala to join. Welcome, Sanjay, Sangeeta, Priya, Chandana, Umang Shah. Sorry, this is our first time, and after recovering from COVID, I'm just online. Let's see. Hey guys, I think. Hi, just waiting still for Jwala to join. Sriraj Jewelers joined. Hi. Kakarla Shravani. Hi. Chandu Malugut. Hi. Jwala is unable to join. Let me try again. Oh, it's showing me waiting for Jwala Gupta to join. Hey Jwala, can you hear me?
What's up?
What's up? Looking good after marriage is doing good to you?
You are looking good. I
I
shouldn't
know.
say, I shouldn't say COVID has done good, but
Little bit of makeup I had to do because I'll feel better. Jwala, I know you keep saying that, don't do makeup. You look so good without makeup, but then I don't have that confidence what you have. No, no, no.
no, we learn from you the confidence you have, okay? So, but it's okay to have makeup. Why not? You
Yeah, I
know,
just recovered. It's 15th day today.
yeah, so why
If
not?
I'm not mistaken, were you quarantined after your wedding? I heard that.
Um, yeah, I did, because just to be safe, I didn't, I know that I was safe before the wedding also. I made sure everybody was tested, and whoever not tested were not allowed. I told you to test as well, right?
Yeah, 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 yeah. Before
Yeah,
coming for your wedding, but then
it
I
was
was.
it was mandatory.
Yeah,
Whether it
yeah,
was my best friend's child, a 2-year-old, 3-year-old.
yeah.
But then, even then, I felt that it was my moral responsibility to stay away from other people, even after being safe. So I just got back home.
I know. Were you guys separately quarantined? I know it's a personal question.
Yeah, separate. Vishnu was in a separate room. I was in a separate room.
Wow, wow. But that's really nice. And I heard that it was very small. And I mean, I missed your wedding, which is like I was really looking forward to come. Then one
Mm,
day before I was tested positive, and tell me a little bit, like before we talk about my COVID,
sorry.
which we thought we should talk about, but I'm so excited to first talk about how did
Sorry,
the
I
wedding
can't hear
go.
you.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me
Can
now?
you hear me?
I can hear
No,
you.
I can't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Can
Can
you
you hear
hear
me
me?
now? I can hear you.
No. Can I join you back?
Yep, yep.
Yeah, now
Can
I
you hear
can
me
hear you.
now?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Tell
I
me.
don't know what happened. Yeah.
Mm.
So let's talk before we get into this COVID discussion, which is the most saddest thing what is happening in the country. I just want to, because people are
Yeah,
so excited. I can see happy married life. They love you, Jwala. You are a pride.
yeah.
So
Thank
Vishnu is
you, thank
very
you.
cute, by the way. Vishnu is very cute, by the way. Waiting
Hey,
to come
I'm
and meet you.
cuter. I'm sorry.
There's no doubt about that. There's no doubt, but we have to praise him. He's now our son-in-law of Telangana. So tell me
He
now.
kept announcing before the wedding, you won't believe. He kept announcing. Suddenly, he was like, I am Hyderabad Allur. I was like, where did you learn this word
Alludu means
from?
son-in-law, right?
Yeah. And I was
Very,
quite surprised.
he's amazing actor also. I've seen his trailers. He's very cute, very, I think down to earth is what people were saying about him.
Yes, yes, he's a good guy. I think more than anything, I think me and him are very similar. You know, he does what he feels like, and he's very straightforward. He's probably more straightforward than me. Sometimes, women sometimes have a little advantage. We can get away with few things, and men don't.
Yep.
But he is very straightforward and very clean here. And I find a lot of similarities between him and me. Hmm.
How does he accept you? You're very bold, very outspoken. You really say whatever you feel like saying. That's what I love about you also.
Because I accept him as he is. So it's a mutual thing. If I think in any relationship, whether it's parents and daughter or son, husband, wife, boyfriend, girlfriend, you and me, if we don't mutually accept each other as we are, the relationship will never stay. Now, Shri, if I
Yep.
tell you, Shri, you change this, you won't like, you might, oblige with me for a few days,
Yep.
but then
Yep.
you'll be like, what is she trying to do? And then you can't change your personality or nature. You can only better it.
I know you
So,
now almost 18 years, and there's no change in you. I mean, I can't say
yeah.
you got better. You became. I mean, you're the same the way I met you. I think it's almost now 18 years. That's a long time,
Mm, mm.
right?
You are the same.
Grown
You've
older.
gotten better with, no, but you've grown better with makeup.
And also gray hair. I covered all my gray hair because I'm feeling so much better. I'm not a hypocrite,
Yeah.
and I know you told me you look so good with gray hair. Remember, 3 days back when you called to check in how I was doing, and I was like showing my gray hair, but I don't have the sort of a to portray myself so soon that with gray hair and all. So I thought I
But
should.
but but it looks, I think if you are a confident person, so whatever you do will look good on you. So I don't have any doubts about that.
So what do you want to talk? So many people asking too many things. We can't keep seeing that, but I think we touched your topic of marriage, and people are extremely happy. I believe you're looking so cute, and you put makeup
Yeah.
on.
I put
So
makeup, so now that's why I've gone. I'm like, I've had enough makeup for rest of the year because I
yep.
never put makeup. And for the wedding, they were like, no, it's your wedding, you have to put it. And I have, Ronin was my makeup artist. I think he did a fabulous job. All my pictures are looking good.
Jwala,
So,
I heard one of our friends called me and said that you thought in the last minute you wanted to cancel the wedding. What is that about? I mean, I didn't understand. I didn't get to talk to you about that. What is this? Cancel the
mm,
wedding? Why?
because of, I don't know, I was in a very bad state, I think,
What happened?
because,
It
see
happened.
what's happening. People are dying. People are
Yeah.
in so much agony. And I
Feel your
was
pain.
feeling very, I was feeling guilty. I still am feeling a little
Yeah,
guilty.
but you did a
But
small
then,
gathering and you just wanted to get over it, I think.
yeah, but whatever said and done, happy faces, to put up a happy face for me was a little difficult. The marriage excitement కంటే ఇప్పుడు ఎలా అయిపోయిందంటే అబ్బా just get it done ఇంకా చాలు. I just
That's
wanted
what
this
that's what
wedding.
people told me. You said just let it get it over with. I don't want this. It's like too painful for me.
It was very painful. It is still very
Did you
painful
cry
that
on your wedding morning, I heard?
I was a little emotional,
Yeah.
and I was also very aware of the situation we were in.
Yeah.
So I had to be put up a strong front, but
Hmm.
I still haven't put up I didn't put a picture of Vishnu and
I know.
me.
I saw that. I saw that.
I don't think I have the right to do that right now with so many people suffering and dying, and the whole of the country is suffering. I don't want to talk about the world. I think our country is suffering the most right now.
Exactly. We just need to talk about our country. Yes, that's it.
Yeah, and it I just can't get myself to put a picture of Vishnu and me. together.
Makes sense. No, that's very sensitive. That's what I love about you. You know, you're so outspoken. You just say whatever you feel like on your face, but then end of the day,
Mm.
you have this, soft corner, and your heart is so sensitive. I mean, you don't want to.
I think people like us, Shri, we are very sensitive just because we're women. People
And
think
strong
that,
woman, strong woman.
yeah, strong women or strong people
Yeah.
doesn't mean that we are. I think strong people are the most sensitive people,
Mm.
and people who act sensitive are putting up an act, I feel, you know.
Talking about
Uh,
Hyderabad, there are some of the women who are like not even doing charity, but then talking about that they're doing charity. It is so painful. Today, Jwala, I recovered from COVID. I think this is my 15th day and I'm cleared of COVID. And firstly, I'll thank my doctors, okay? First 5 days, believe me, a person like me actually was shivering. I mean, not because, COVID is something I heard that people die.
mm,
I'm educated, but then I thought COVID means people will die because we have seen
mm,
only death, 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 everywhere death, so
mm,
much of pain. The first 2 days, I was like worse than a baby. I literally didn't get up from the bed till 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
mm.
And this is what you see is God's grace again. But what I went through is not a joke. Is not
Of
that 5
course.
days was not a joke. Even now, I'm exactly not well.
Yeah,
But then
yeah.
I really want, you said, remember that Shri talk about COVID recovery, people need to hear positive things.
Positive things, and people need to believe now. People are losing hope. People need to have hope. I think people who have survived this only can give hope. I
Yeah,
might say that, be positive. I still haven't contracted the, disease till now, touch wood. But,
touch wood.
but,
Yeah.
uh, but, but, I can say it. But then people will be like, you don't know how it feels. So only you can tell how it feels, and give
You
hope
know
to
what
people.
is the funniest thing is, remember I did my vaccine on, a couple of days, like I think on the
Mm,
Wednesday, 14th. And then I
mm,
posted saying that, get vaccinated because vaccination saves life and vaccination is hope for me. But
mm.
then somebody joked in Hyderabad, these women, somebody joked, oh, she took vaccine and she got COVID. This vaccine actually saved me, I feel.
Yeah,
The
most
impact is much
definitely.
less. The impact was much less on me because I got vaccinated and it took 48 hours. Then I was COVID positive and I was like in state of a shock.
No,
How
people
did
need
I?
to understand how vaccination works, first of all. I
I know
think
you
people
explained that to
are
me, right? You explained
people
that
are
to me.
very foolish. As a child, we take BCG vaccine, doesn't mean we don't get tuberculosis. We still get it, but the
You do get it.
impact is much less.
Yeah.
And that's how every vaccine works. Vaccination reduces the impact of the disease, and that's why you
I
have to
agree.
take it.
I
A
agree.
vaccination is not 100% foolproof. Okay, no doctor has said it. I don't know why people have assumed this,
They
and
assume they're
educate
too intelligent.
and educated people have assumed this, and they just are blaming doctors now for not educating them, which is very silly. I think all doctors are educating. They just need to hear, listen.
Yeah.
I think with this social media, I think this time and age, I think people in general have lost the power to listen, and understand. They are just so much into social media and so much into this virtual world, they've forgotten the reality and they've stopped analyzing. అంటే నేను ఇప్పుడు ఇట్ ఈస్ లైక్ ఇప్పుడు ఈవినింగ్ అవుతుంది కానీ if I'm up in a powerful position and say that no, it's morning, people is like, oh, Jwala might be right, but I can be wrong. I can be
Absolutely.
misleading you. You have to
Absolutely.
analyze, you have to use your own brain. you
Absolutely.
know and education is just not by your degree. Education is what you've learned and
What
what
you
you've
learn.
seen.
Yeah.
And I think people are acting very foolish and very silly, and
And then
they have to.
commenting just because they know me and they know the hospital, Continental Hospital owners, and
Mm,
they start joking. And it's not a joke. It's COVID is not a joke. And if you see this Hyderabad, some of our women yet have to change. I recently 4 days there's too much of gossip happening, and somebody called and said in Film Nagar, somebody said, "Oh, rich people don't get COVID. Rich people don't get COVID."
rich people are not getting beds.
Yeah,
That's the
exactly.
reality.
Yeah.
So we need to be sensitive about it now. We need to understand what this disease is doing. There is no discrimination between rich and poor,
Yeah.
Hindu or Muslim.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. We need to come together, educate, and not again jump into conclusion and panic or create panic around us. Keep things calm. And if you are capable of helping somebody, just do
Help,
it.
help. Yes, exactly. Even if it's a small help, help people, you know. And you don't
One,
need to
one
portray it
person.
again. You don't need to portray it again on social media. Oh, you did this.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Can you hear me, Jwala? Yeah.
Now,
Yeah. Yeah.
no, yeah. No, if they're putting it on social media and it motivates another person to do it, I would encourage them to put it on social media.
You know what? I agree with you again. Yeah, I agree with you again. It encourages somebody else. Oh, let's do it more. Let's do it again.
Somebody,
Yeah,
yeah,
I
do
agree
it,
with you. I'm
do
sorry I
it for
said that.
the do,
Yeah,
do it for the sake of social media. That's fine. My thing is,
that is what. Yeah, do
yeah,
it for
do
yourself
it.
and try to help
Yeah,
as many.
that's okay. And
Yeah,
no, if you're doing it for the sake of social media, at least if one person is getting help because of that, that's fine.
please do it.
I can accept it. Yeah. But
Yeah.
don't be like me, myself, my world, my life. We all are part of society.
And you know
We
what I
all.
realized? First of all, I thought I'm going to die because the
Mm.
day I was COVID positive at 12 o'clock, I got my reports and they said the infection is much higher and I have to be admitted in the hospital. Swati called and said that. You should see I was sweating because I don't know what is COVID and I only heard that people die. And
Oh.
that anxiety was too much. And also, you go into sort of a depression, Jwala. What I realized is you're helpless because you can't talk to people, you can't come out, you can't sit with people, you're isolated. And you know, this sort of a claustrophobicness has come into me, like, you know, I'm, oh my god, what's going to happen? But then I came back and thought to myself that, you know what, I'm a strong woman and I need to get this straight and I need to just sleep, take my medicines, listen to my
Mm,
doctor, sleep, eat good
mm,
food and watch movies.
mm,
But there's so
mm.
many people who are not even having that facility what I'm having, God has given me today,
But
right?
if you exactly, but if you've come out of this, I think you can achieve anything. You have to say it
Right.
that way.
That's true. That's true. But you do you notice that a lot of people are, when I comment about writing about BJP or anything, they're saying, "Oh, Modi bucked to me," or talking about the government has failed, the center has failed. What is your take on that? I mean, I know you are not affiliated to any political party. I believe in the ideology of BJP myself, so maybe I'll be a little bit biased in talking. But I know you are not. You are totally clean with politics. So
My take is that any government, state or center, they have to buck up.
yes,
People are dying. They have to buckle up. People only look up to, like now, if any leader for me it becomes they are our guide
yeah,
or they are our guardian.
yeah,
And we can only turn to our guardian or
yeah,
our leader,
yeah.
and I hope they have to buckle up, as in 6%. What I heard was 6% of our population is will only get hospitalized. But if we are not able to accommodate 6% of our population, such a big country,
That's a
then
big
there's
country
something seriously wrong with us.
with our medical.
6% medical facility.
But did you see that people are also doing business with the medicines and oxygen cylinders and remdesivir,
So
whatever that
that,
might.
see, if that's
I
what
mean,
I'm
you
saying,
don't
if the
sell these
system,
things in black when people are
but
dying.
if the system is in place, people will not do that or not dare to do that. The system is not in place. It is everywhere. People are
Then why is
suffering.
every chief minister who is not a part of BJP is blaming Modi ji,
Everybody is
saying,
responsible.
egg,
Everybody is
why,
equally
why didn't they build
responsible.
oxygen factories in Maharashtra or where they're just pouncing on this one man Jwala, which I'm not saying that he's right or wrong. He shouldn't have done rallies in.
But Shri, whether BJP or not, if it was some other party also, we would have blamed them only.
Yeah,
So
but
it
but
is
but
who is
let
leading
me
the
be very
country.
honest. Let me be very honest. They shouldn't
See,
have done the
like
rallies in Bengal.
no, when the Congress, when the corruption and the scandals came out, we did blame the Congress, right? then they
Yeah.
were in power.
Do you
And
think
I'm
media
not.
plays, do you think media is playing an important role for people's psychology?
Everybody, yeah, yeah, of course. And the people in power controls that kind of a thing to psych the people out, you know.
But
So
why are we
everything is
go,
interconnected.
but why are
But
we
my
going
point
and
is,
crying to other countries that India is dying, India is dead, or I mean, this is ridiculous. Did you ever see in Italy? Did they blame their president? Did they put their president on roads? Did New York,
mm,
when New York was flooding with bodies, did they say that our president is horrible, he's not doing anything? We are taking, and we Indians ourselves are taking and smashing our own prime minister in the world, saying that he's horrible. I mean, he's like not educated, and Kejriwal is educated. I mean, you don't compare these things just because some pandemic. Yes, pandemic
no,
has come.
no.
It's
I believe even the chief ministers are equally responsible
responsible, whether you're BJP or
because,
not. Yeah,
yeah, because they are the head of the state,
yeah.
and also the center also has to buck up.
And
There is
somebody
no
commented on
question.
me. Somebody commented on me, Jwala, saying that, oh, she's Modi bucked or BJP bucked. But I'll tell you something. These so-called diamond ladies, okay, diamond ladies or Jaguar ladies or Birkin ladies. Let me tell you. First of all, you went away in your private jets to Switzerland and America and all that. I'm talking about Hyderabad, our state. You know, you've
Mm.
gone from Hyderabad. So what are you talking about politics here? Whether I'm bucked of Jwala or whether I'm bucked of Modi ji, it's none of your business. Do you even know your milkman's wife's name? Do you even know your staff's husband's name? I know. So give him a break, guys. And you don't, this is not the samskar we are learned to bash up somebody who is like in that position. He's the head of our country, a prime minister of our country, right?
But Shri, why are you bothered?
I'm feeling bad. Like, you know, I mean, I
You
don't know, I'm
don't need to.
suffering.
You are not answerable to anybody. You can be
Right.
BJP Bhakt or a Congressy or anything. That's your. We are living in a democratic right, and you're exercising your right. It's your opinion, your choice. Like how
Hey,
I'm exercising my right.
Hey, Jwala, tell me something about your academy. First of all, State of Art Academy. And are
But I
you,
haven't
is it,
been to my academy for past 10
yeah, I
days.
believe, I believe you shut it down. Why? Like you feel
No,
that it's,
I didn't shut it down.
mm,
But people who are living in the academy are not allowed. I
yeah,
kind of
that's what,
I
sorry, that's what I meant to say. That's what I meant to say.
so this thing what is happening with COVID right now, me and my father predicted this a month and a half before, and we stopped all the children going out of the academy. I shut all the people who are coming out for, day boarders to coming into the academy. So my children in the academy who are living in the hostel are safe, and nobody is allowed to go from
That's what,
outside to my academy.
that's
So
what
it's
I heard.
not shut, and but my academy only with the hostel is running, and they are safe because we're not allowing
Yeah, I believe
anybody
so. Yeah.
from outside to
Somebody actually
interact
called
with
me that
them.
they want to go for training. I said, even if she's my friend, she's very particular, but especially now, she'll not allow me also. Forget you,
No.
I said.
No,
Yeah.
I am not going because I
Yeah.
was
Are you
exposed.
actually going? No?
No, I didn't go because I was also busy with the wedding preparation, so I was meeting a lot of strangers.
Yeah.
So I didn't want to expose the children to any kind of infection because I didn't want to spoil their routine.
Absolutely.
Mm,
Absolutely. What else?
yeah. You should tell me. I'm a married woman. I can't believe I haven't even, it didn't sink in yet because, the whole quarantining
But
and
you
all
are a
that
free,
happened.
you're a free spirit girl. But tell me, Jwala, one personal question. Are you shifting
That's
to
what I
Chennai?
said. No, no, no,
Are you shifting to Chennai?
no. But there'll be a lot of traveling.
Oh,
My work is
obviously.
here,
Yeah.
and even Vishnu is now, getting into Telugu industry, so we'll be on and off.
Hmm.
But this is what I was discussing with my goddaughter,
Hmm.
Myra.
The little one, the blue eyes.
Yeah, green
Yeah.
eyes.
Green eyes, yes, green eyes.
So I'm like, why do women have to have a missus? And why men don't have any change in their initials
From Miss
or
to Mrs. Jwala Gupta, you become.
yeah. So I was like, that is so patriarchal. So I said, I'm never going to be Mrs. I'm not going to follow the norms of the society. I'll be Miss. I told my goddaughter that even you shall be Miss forever. Why should we be missed and we wear sindoor and we wear Mangal Sutras?
Mangalsutra.
I'm just
Are you
wearing
wearing
it.
Mangalsutra? Are you wearing Mangalsutra?
Yeah,
Good, good.
yeah.
Yeah, it's a respect. It's
But
a sign of respect.
it's a sign of respect, but it's unfair that women have to do all this and men don't. So I'm wearing a ring, he wears a ring, and that's about it. That's the deal. We treat each other equally, and that was the deal between Vishnu and me.
I'm sure if he's marrying you, he knows what he's getting into because you're a very strong
Yeah,
woman with strong ideas
yeah.
in your head. And
I'm a feminist. I'm a true feminist.
me too, same strong feminists we are. And you know what people were saying, like, I don't know, like, there's so many things I would like to talk openly, but I don't know, I'm not able to talk. It's very sad seeing these heroines also going and doing sort of funny things on Instagram when people are dying, like, oh, we applied this
Mm.
sort of thing in the face and that sort of thing in the face. I mean, I love to see that, but not right now.
As in, again, to each his own, really. I will not say it is wrong or right, but I, in my personal capacity, cannot come to share any such happy stuff. And I think right now I would like to use my social media for more informative,
Just keep
uh,
posting it, whatever people can read about anything and everything.
yeah, and information
Yeah.
about COVID, basically. I would like to do that.
And don't degrade
Um,
India, people. Don't degrade India. Don't degrade our prime minister, whoever that can be, congressman or a BJP man. Don't degrade our country in world public forum. We are like looking like beggars these days. And so-called rich people from Hyderabad, I'm only talking, has gone. They've taken private jets because they want to. If you have to die, Jwala, you'll die here right now. Your time has come. You're going. You don't need to run away, leaving your country when it's bleeding, really bleeding, really. It,
yeah,
it
our
is,
country is suffering right now,
yeah,
so we should be a little more sensitive.
sensitive.
And I understand life has to also go on.
Yeah.
And I'm not going to, I don't want to comment or judge anybody.
Yes,
But
absolutely.
but our society needs us who are in a much better position,
Yeah, instead
who
of
can voice out.
bashing people, why don't you guys come out and help? I'm ready to give a piece of jewelry from my personal, which I love the most. I
It
love
need
jewelry.
not be materialistic. It
No,
could be
I'd
also
rather
our
give
voice.
jewelry. You know what? I'll tell you something. I always say this. Indian women have so much jewelry that we can have Indian election. We can run that sort of elections. And I'm ready to take out a piece of jewelry. Where every woman takes a jewelry and say, okay, we'll fund this for oxygen or hospital beds. I don't mind because that is what I love the most. And I'm
Mm,
not shy to say that, oh, I don't love jewelry. I love Rudraksh. So,
mm.
it's like you want to do something, you do, but don't keep bashing our leaders, whoever are trying. They are under tremendous pressure. You think leaders see, I mean, I know some people don't care, but there are people who really are having tears when you see, when I see TV, Jwala, truly, I'm having tears. I mean, I'm a person who never cries. I'm not that, I think I'm not that emotional, I think, but I'm like crying whenever I'm seeing TV. It's so helpless. You can't.
Yeah, it's a bad state. Nobody ever expected this, I'm sure. And
And we
we
are
need to
partially,
do.
we are partially also responsible for this pandemic. I'm telling you, I used to go out, just I used to not wear mask. I'm telling you the truth. Oh, nothing will happen. It's okay. It's safe here. But then I went to Kumbh Mela. You saw, I wore mask there. I went to Varanasi. When it caught me in Hyderabad, because I was roaming around thinking that, oh, it's safe. It's not necessary. I broke the protocol, and I suffered for that. And I'm agreeing to that I broke the protocol. It's not the vaccination. It's not politicians who did this to us. This pandemic is also because of that, right?
We need to act responsibly, and
Exactly.
you need to analyze what is happening, not assume things. And if you don't know, use your smartphones, guys. Have Google, read about it. You can read, and you can do.
Having tea, green tea. You. Oh, by
It's
the
a
way.
hibiscus.
Oh, by the way, I have to thank you for introducing me the dietitian. I
Ah,
lost. I lost 3 kilos.
yeah.
Of course, in COVID time, I lost. But then every day, the dietitian you introduced, Ali, called me
Mm.
every day, Jwala, and said, eat well, checked about
Yeah,
my oxygen.
yeah,
And
yeah.
by the way, you lost a lot of weight.
I did lose. I lost like almost
15 kilos?
17 kilos. Yeah. Yes.
I know. Look at that. I saw you before your wedding. Remember? I was telling I'm getting ready. I'm putting all my outfits ready.
Yeah.
I was
It was,
shocked to see you. You lost.
I wanted, there's so many close friends who missed this wedding. I feel
I know.
bad. Uh, but I guess I shouldn't complain because I don't think I have the right to complain. There are other people suffering with much more. So,
No, you're a good person. I mean, good will happen, and you have done your part of duty for society, and you're still doing, and we are all doing in a small way. But I'm very
mm,
happy that we had this conversation. And why did we have this conversation? Because remember, 4 days back, you called to check on me how I'm doing. And
yeah.
Jwala, you won't believe, very funny. This is a death. This is disease is sort of, the opinion is that we'll die.
Mm,
From the day one, you were one of the first persons to call me and ask, Hey, Shri, Amen, what happened? And like that,
mm.
I got calls, about 620 calls, more than
Nice.
800,
No,
more than 800 messages. And
see?
every day, my close friends send me curries in the afternoon, every day.
Mm,
Let it be Chandraka, who is like income tax commissioner, Vidya Kavram's grandmother, and
yeah.
Swati, of course, every night dinner. And flowers came. And then, you know how much you love. And I know who didn't call me.
You'll keep a note.
I am keeping a note because this is the time when we need to say, Hi Jwala, how are you doing? And are you okay? It makes you feel so good that people care for you. This is very
Mm,
important to make that call if you know.
yes.
And there's not, and some people ask me, why did you post your COVID positive? Why did you tell people? Can you elaborate, Jwala, on that?
You
They
have to
asked me, why
tell.
did I write that I got COVID
Why
positive?
not? Why not? There's nothing wrong. Anybody can get it. Anybody can get it.
It's not
There's
untouchable
so much.
disease, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't know why, people have
The
created this
stigma of
taboo
not
around
writing or
it.
not
Yeah,
sharing.
it is so, I
Because
never understood that, and educated people
yeah.
banning or bashing the families who got it. It is so sad of, the kind of attitude, the mentality of people.
I recovered, Jwala, purely because of all you guys have been calling me and checking on me and how I'm doing. That sort of inspiration, and you feel secure when people call.
Mm,
But ultimately, I mean, there are few people who I really thank is like Swati, my best friend.
yes,
She's always there. 1 o'clock, she went out,
she's the
got the
best.
medicine. I know. She got me the medicine at 1 o'clock and started the medication. Then Vidyaka,
Mm,
Vinny's mom, Avram, the little boy, he
yes,
called me 3 times to check whether how I'm doing. Can you believe in his little
yeah,
language?
yeah.
All these
And
things make
and
it.
they sadly at this such young age, they're seeing so much, so much exposure to
I know.
things which is not needed for them. These I feel bad, for kids who are,
They don't
gonna
even go out and play. Like, remember when we were kids?
yeah,
Summer is
yeah.
watermelon, cotton clothes, playing on the streets or with
Ice
friends.
cream.
Ice cream, yeah, yeah, that ice
Mm,
cream on the stick. It's a simple
mm,
life we led. Everything changed, Vala. Everything changed. But at least we didn't change. I'm happy that we didn't change. On a happy note,
good.
we are the
It's good
same,
to see you.
strong. Love
Your
you.
makeup is getting better and better.
But
Nak
still,
నేర్పి అబ్బా.
anytime. Hey, by the way, one last
Vishnu,
question I want to ask you. People have been listening.
Vishnu hates it when I put makeup.
You don't need, babes. Your skin is like
I'm
rasgulla.
like, no, but I sometimes feel like, like
Yeah.
kuch to something, just
Let's
put
do.
something.
Jwala, one question people have been asking me last 2 days. Oh my God, Jwala looks like you look like Jwala, or I look like Jwala. I said, you know what? Firstly, she's a Telugu. They were amazed and shocked that your dad is Telugu from Vijayawada
Auna.
and your mom is Chinese. They
Yeah,
knew that part, but they didn't know the other part that you're a Telugu. Can you believe?
Auna.
They said, no, she comes
Really?
from Nagpur. Nagpur, what is your relation with Nagpur?
I was born in Wardha, Maharashtra, where my dad was studying and where,
Can
my
you believe
dad,
my curator Karishma said that she's from Nagpur? I said, no, Karishma, she's from Vijayawada. So she's right. You're born in Nagpur like me, Jwala.
yeah. You were born in Nagpur?
Can you believe I was born in Nagpur too?
I was born in Wardha, like 100
It's
kilometers
Maharashtra,
away
right?
from. Yeah,
Maharashtra,
yeah.
right? So we are
I
citizens
can't
of
believe,
Maharashtra too. Huh?
I can't believe you were born in Nagpur.
Yeah, Nagpur, because my great grandfather migrated there, so my mom went for delivery there. They had this BD factory.
Auna.
Yeah.
No
So
wonder we're sisters.
this is, and one more last thing. I'll leave you with this. I was in Kumbh Mela. I was sitting in the airport. There was this IPS officer. I didn't know he was IPS. He said, "Are you Jwala Gupta?" I said, "No." Jwala Gupta is an international star. I said,
We
"But
have,
I'm a,
we
but
have,
I'm an adopted sister." I said, and yeah, I think this part. So I
yes,
said, I just called you. Remember that day from Kumbh Mela? And
yes,
he's one of the top officers in Andhra government, and he was super excited, Jwala, that the
yeah,
respect a sports star has. Like my father is also from cricket. The way they
mm,
look at I felt very proud. He was so happy that he spoke to you, and you were in the middle of your wedding things, remember?
yeah, yeah.
And you didn't even say a word. He said, "Yeah, definitely, Shri, I'll talk to him." That's what I love, that attitude about you. So that's
Anything for
it.
you.
I
Did
love
you like
you.
my sari?
Oh, by the way, that's my goddaughter's company label, Vida Sari, Kanchipattu.
Yeah, but did you like it? She selected it for me. I didn't even. I said,
I
you do.
saw
I know.
I saw the
Yeah.
work she's done on the blouse and the whole thing. I said, "Who's this sari, Papa?" I asked Viranika, "Whose sari is this and who is it going?" She's Jwala's wedding sari. I said, "Oh, when did she come? Did she buy?" I said, "No, we want to give it to her because she's a pride
Yeah.
for our state, our country, and it's a small gift that we would." This gesture was really really good, and but you're a good person too. I mean, people love you. So my gift is pending. My dinner is pending.
Yes. You have to cook. I want mutton.
Mutton biryani, mutton, everything, your gifts, everything is ready. Let's settle on. Let everything go peaceful right now for a month.
Gift. I will take some 10 saris from you. That's it.
Anything for you. Oh, just take it. So I really loved having this conversation because it helps a lot of people what we spoke. Maybe it helps, maybe it doesn't help, but I'm happy to do this with you. And
Yeah.
very gracefully you said, let's do Shri, let's have fun. And say hi to Vishnu from my side. Take care.
I will. I will.
Love you. Bye, Jwala.
Bye. Bye, Shri.
Log off.
Yeah.